Hi everyone. In previous video we discussed about the migration in fishes. Now we will discuss about the parental care in fishes. What is parental care? The protecting or the caring of eggs or young ones until they independent to defend themselves is called parental care. In parental care in fishes, these all are the types. What is scattering eggs over aquatic plants? Means the fishes scatter their eggs over the aquatic plants which through present it. For example, pikes and carps is the example. Pikes and carps are the example for scattering eggs over aquatic plants. Means the fishes scatter their eggs over the aquatic plants which through attaching. Next, depositing eggs. Depositing eggs in sticky covering. Means the sticky covering is the special character. Means the eggs are closely attached to the ponds and weeds and stones. This is the depositing eggs in sticky covering. The eggs are, for example, Furca flaviensis eggs are deposited in a rope of single mass. Next, laying of eggs at suitable places. I have told in the anadromous migration, the fishes select this good place for spawning. Means the eggs are they select the suitable place. For example, I told in the anadromous migration. Anadromous migration example is salmona. Salmona fish is the select the good place for spawning, and they lay the eggs in that place. Next, what is mouth breeders? Mouth breeders means the fishes keep their eggs in their mouth only. Some fishes are mouth breeding fishes. In areas brackish water catfish, the fish of North America, the male carries eggs in his mouth till hatching. The male carries the eggs in his mouth till hatching. The male never feeds while carrying the eggs. If they feeds, the eggs will die. The offspring will die. So they never feed while carrying the eggs. Next, in tilapia, Aries is the male fish. Aries is the male fish. Tilapia is the female fish. Tilapia is also keep their eggs after fertilization, and the young ones is also used for shelter. For the shelter purpose is their mother's buccal cavity. The mother buccal cavity is also used the young ones for if there any danger. Next, what coiling around the eggs means the fishes, the parents around the eggs for protecting self. Means they around the eggs like that they protect. For example, the butterfish is rolls the eggs into a rounded ball. Butterfish is the example for coiling around the eggs. Example is butterfish. Next, developing brood pouch means the Signathus pipefish and hippocampus sea horse. We all are seen the sea horse. The male develops special brood pouch on the underside of trunk. Means on the pouch-like bag is formed. The bag is formed under the trunk. Means there the eggs carry in that pouch. The eggs carries the egg. The female lays the eggs in that pouch, and this development takes place in hippocampus. The brood pouch is modified as a pelvic fin. That broad pouch is formed as a pelvic fin. Means for respiratory purpose, the male and female transfer their eggs in their pouch. Both have the pouch in the under the buccal under the trunk. They transfer their eggs for the purpose of the respiratory purpose. These, for example, sea horse. Hippocampus. Next, formation of integumentary cups means the parents of the fishes of the smooth and spongy like skin. There the fishes press against the eggs, then their skin, the integument cup is formed, then the eggs carries the integumentary cups. This is the formation of integumentary cups. For example, in catfish Platystachys. Example means the Platystachys. In catfish Platystachys, the skin of lower surface of the body of the female becomes soft and spongy just after the fertilization. The female presses the body against the eggs so that the eggs are lodged in the integumentary cups. Integumentary depression, the eggs remain in the integumentary cups till hatching. Next, what is attachment to body? Means the fishes, in this attachment to body, the eggs are carries in the head of the fish. The male of cutters fish as a bony hook on their forehead. The mass of the eggs is attached to the hook. Means in cutters male fish have a bony hook on their forehead. Example, cutters male fish. In the forehead of the hook, the eggs are carried. Next, nest building means only few fishes are construct the nest. Some nests are very simple, some nests are complex like a bird nest, and simple nest is also float nest. So many types of nests are there. Only few fishes construct nest. Fish may be complex like that of the birds I have told. Next, simple nested fishes merely hollowed out depressions in the bottom in the bottom like in the lungfish. Means hollow nest is formed. Next, the nest is built by collecting plant fragments, rootlets and the like, and then binding them together with adhesive kidney secretion. This is the nest building. Next, egg capsules and viviparity. These all are the types of parental care in the fishes. Viviparity is the most protective, most caring type of the type in the parental care in fishes. Means the highest degree of parental care is found in the viviparous fishes. Is anguans develop in oviduct of the female. Means the anguans develop in the oviduct of the female. The anguan get their nourishment. The anguan get nourishment by the yolk sac. For example, Scalodon fish. These all are the parental care in fishes. Okay. Thank you. For more knowledge, subscribe to Acquire Knowledge. Thank you, everyone.